So federated learning in the drone is like there are several swarms of drone is flying and the drones are communicating each other. So they are collecting and processing lots of data on fly on edge AI. But the problem we are dealing with that if there's several number of drones are flying up there, they could be attacked by hackers, or even they can do some kind of faulty recognition themselves. So making sure they are robust enough and secure enough. So that's our research. So the one topic we are kind of working on is called adversarial attack on federated learning. So the drone's camera vision sensors, they could be attacked or they could be manipulated. So if it's flying up, it can misrecognize a pedestrian as a car as a pedestrian. The other problem with the drones is their communication security problem. So we are dealing with that if 10 drones are communicating among each other or communicating with the server. So how to secure their communication, and so basically applying lots of AI algorithms to detect the security threats on the drones and trying to devise some algorithms so that it can defend against those kind of attacks. So making them robust, making a defense algorithm. So these are our tasks.